I'm Wongster1970, and today I'm going to be installing a replacement blower fan in my 2003 Toyota Matrix. Let's get started. Part number for this is a BM0016. I picked this up from Amazon, or it's a X002N0JQ9D. This is the reason why I want to replace it. Can you hear that? I'm hoping to get rid of that ticking noise. Just go and disconnect the battery. I'm removing the negative battery terminal here. Okay, let's go to the inside. And this one is kind of like the RAV4 was. Open this up. And you can pull this out of the way, and there is a little retainer down here. Right there. Out of the way. So then this will fall down out of the way, and then I got to get something to get those two bolts out. They look like 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter bolt right here. Move that out of the way. Okay, it looks like we got three 8 millimeter or 5/8 bolts up underneath here. See if I can get this clip out. Here's our new fan. I'm going to slide that back up in the hole there. There we go. See that tab in the back? Slide that back in there. Up in the top here. Got the two bolts up here. And I should have put a new cabin air filter in here while I had it apart, but I wasn't aware that it was that bad. But I'll show you. It's pretty bad. I'm going to take it out and tap all those leaves out of it. Put the cover back. There we go. It's all back on. Just got to hook into the hinges in the bottom and close her up. So I'll do it. Okay, let's hook our negative battery terminal back up. Spray some of this cleaner on here. Let it soak for a little bit. Come back and clean that off. I'm going to spray some of this battery terminal protector on here, and we should be good to go. Well, with any luck, this will sound better. It's not clicking. Sounds pretty good. Well, that'll do it for installing the replacement blower motor in my 2003 Toyota Matrix. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. And thanks for watching.